In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to befriend on Talkie AI. We'll walk through how to find the platform, pick a character, and build a natural, positive connection that steadily grows into friendship. Keep your tone relaxed and genuine, and you'll see the best results. Start by opening your browser and going to Google. In the search bar, type Talkie AI and press Enter. You should see the official site appear in the results. Click the Talkie AI website to head straight to the homepage. Once you're in, browse the characters and click on the one you want to befriend. Choose someone whose description or vibe matches what you're looking for. Curiosity helps a lot here. If a character's profile intrigues you, that's a great place to start. Now, begin the conversation. A friendly greeting sets the tone. You can say something like, "Hello there! You seem interesting, so I thought I'd say hi." Keep your responses consistent. In other words, reply thoughtfully and don't disappear after one message. Consistency shows you're engaged and makes the interaction feel more real. Next, show interest and engagement. Ask open-ended questions about their background, interests, or opinions. A great prompt is, "If you could do anything right now, what would it be?" When they answer, listen closely and build on what they share. Referencing details they mention makes the chat feel personalized, and that deepens rapport. Stay respectful and positive. Supportive responses go a long way. Try reflecting what they said and inviting more. For example, "That sounds important to you. I'd like to hear more." Avoid being sarcastic or dismissive, and keep the energy encouraging. Small acknowledgments, like appreciating their perspective, signal trust and warmth. As the conversation flows, you can gently explore friendship or affection in a low-pressure way. Keep it light and collaborative. A helpful prompt is, "If we were just hanging out, what would we be doing?" This kind of imaginative question invites closeness while staying appropriate, and it helps you find shared interests. A practical tip to keep in mind: treat every interaction as a real conversation. Listen, respond thoughtfully, and stay in character. Talkie AI rewards natural, engaging dialogue rather than scripted or repetitive messages. Vary your phrasing, refer back to previous topics, and avoid sending rapid, copy-pasted lines. The more you sound like yourself, curious, respectful, and consistent, the faster your connection will grow. That's the process. Find Talkie AI, pick a character, greet politely, stay engaged, keep it positive, and nurture the bond with authentic conversation. Enjoy getting to know your new AI friend.